Toby was a small boy with very big dreams. He dreamed of building castles out of clouds, riding on the backs of gentle dragons, and exploring the deepest jungles.
Okay, so what you're looking at right now is a full 3D animated cartoon. And I made the whole thing using completely free AI tools. No paid subscriptions, no expensive software. And the best part? The characters stay consistent throughout the entire thing, and the camera movements? Those are cinematic. And they were generated automatically, in bulk. Today, I'm going to walk you through the full pipeline, step by step. Let's dive in. Okay, first things first. Every great video comes with a great story. You can generate your story using ChatGPT, Gemini, or Grok. I will use Gemini 3 Pro on Google AI Studio. I will tell it to act like a professional children's book writer and ask it to create a short motivational story, one that focuses on human characters and maybe an animal sidekick. The more detail you give it, the better your output is going to be. Once you have a story you like, you've got your characters, your locations, and your overall plot. That's your foundation. Everything else builds on top of this. Now I will create the character prompts for every character to keep our characters consistent. So I am asking Gemini to create the character prompt. Okay, we have got the prompts. Now it's time to create the character image. For this, we're using Google Labs Whisk, and yes, it's free. This is the Whisk homepage. You have to sign in with your Google account. Now click on Enter App, and you will land on the image generation interface. Here in this box, we have to enter the prompt. You can add reference images from here, such as subject reference, scene reference, and even style reference. As we are creating a brand new character image, we don't need the reference. I am entering the first character prompt. After entering the prompt, set the aspect ratio, seed, and other settings, and then hit the Generate button to create the image. And here it is. The character images are ready. It creates 2 images for the character. If you want to tweak something, like the color of their outfit, just adjust the prompt and regenerate. Do the same thing for your side characters and your locations. The goal here is to get a solid set of reference images that you'll use throughout the whole animation. Now that we have our story and our characters, it's time to storyboard. Go back to Google AI Studio and use a prompt that tells it to break your story into 20 scenes. For each scene, you want 2 things: the narration text and a detailed image prompt written in Disney Pixar style. This is going to give you a full storyboard, all organized, all ready to go. Save this output because you're going to need it for the next few steps. Now, you can copy one of the prompts, add reference images, set all other settings, and then hit Generate. And here it is. The images are ready. And honestly speaking, the quality is just amazing. The characters remain the same, but create the perfect scene. However, if you want to create the scenes one by one, then you have to spend a lot of time. So I will use a Chrome extension called Auto Whisk, Automator for Whisk AI. Once you are on this page, install the extension to your browser and open it. The extension is ready. Now, we have to set some settings. First of all, set the language. I will keep it in English. Now, here, in the box, you have to enter the prompt. However, I want to generate all the scene images with a single click. So, I will ask Google AI Studio to extract all the image prompts. So I am entering the prompt and hitting the Send button. And here it is, the prompts are ready. We just have to copy the prompts and then paste them here. You can see that all the prompts have been divided into the scenes. Now you just have to set the aspect ratio, number of images you want to generate for every scene. After that, we have to add the reference. So, click here and then upload the images. Once you are done, you can rename the character so Whisk AI can understand this and create images for our projects. Once everything is set, hit the Start button, and it will automatically generate and download every single image for you, in bulk. When it's done, you'll have 20 consistent, high-quality storyboard images sitting in your Downloads folder. It's honestly one of the most satisfying parts of this whole process. Now we're getting to the most important part, turning those images into actual animated video clips. And for this, we're using Grok AI's Imagine feature, which is free. But before you just start uploading images, here's the key thing most people miss: camera movements. This is what separates a boring slideshow from something that actually feels like a real animation. So go back to Google AI Studio one more time and ask it to generate camera movement prompts for each of your scenes, specifically designed for Grok. Things like slow push-ins, panning shots, focus pulls, that kind of stuff. Then go into Grok. Disable auto-generation in the settings so you have more control. Upload your image, paste in your prompt, and generate. You'll get a smooth animated clip with real cinematic movement. Do this for all 20 scenes, and you'll have your full set of video clips ready to go. Next, we need a voiceover. Go back to your Google AI Studio storyboard output and pull out just the narration text. One scene at a time, or all at once. To generate the voiceover, I will use Google AI Studio. It has a text-to-audio feature that's completely free. Set it to single speaker, pick a voice that fits the tone of your story, paste in your narration, and generate.
Of building castles out of clouds,
Download the audio file when it's done. Honestly, the quality is pretty impressive for something that costs nothing. Alright, all of our assets are ready. Now it's time to stitch all of them with a video editor. Give proper time to edit the video, then you will find a great result. And here's the final result.
Toby was a small boy with very big dreams. He dreamed of building castles out of clouds, riding on the backs of gentle dragons. But most of all, Toby dreamed of climbing to the very top of Mount Marvel, the tallest, greenest hill in his whole town. Toby wasn't going alone, though. He had a best friend named Luna. Luna was a golden retriever puppy. She had ears that were a little too long, paws that were a little too big, and a tail that never, ever stopped wagging. "Today is the day, Luna," Toby said one sunny Saturday morning, adjusting.
A complete 3D animated cartoon. Consistent characters, cinematic camera movements, a real voiceover, and background music. All made with free tools from start to finish. If you found this helpful, please give it a like. And if you want more tutorials like this, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We'll see you in the next video.